My name is Jim Barton. I'm a field engineer with Sololo.io, and we are passionate about application networking. So I'm a field engineer with Sololo, and that means I'm both a creator of content using Instruqt, as well as someone who delivers content with Instruqt. And so it's very valuable to me to be able to create the content in a way that's reproducible, that when I need it for a workshop or an on-site presentation, I just have complete confidence that it's going to work, and that's what Instruqt delivers. I heard about it after I was at Sololo. We had another workshop platform that we had used for some time. It was okay for us, but it was difficult. There was a lot of manual work that was involved in setting it up, in tearing it down. It was sometimes unreliable. All of those worries have gone away with Instruqt. I'd say the primary problems we were trying to solve with Instruqt was unreliability. Our previous platform was fairly difficult to use for users, and it wasn't always reliable. And so with Instruqt, it's eliminated both our user experience issues. We get really solid user experience results now, and it's just a rock in terms of reliability. The requirements that we were looking for was, number one, reliability. We wanted something that our users or that our engineers could depend on when they went into a workshop. They didn't have to worry about, is our platform going to fall over, or is it going to create a bad user experience in the middle of an interactive workshop? And so that's our primary requirement. Instruqt stands out for two reasons in my view. One is its reliability. It's just a rock. Number two, from an authoring standpoint, it's really easy for us as a company that cares about infrastructure as code to be able to build our Instruqt experiences using a nice, repeatable set of techniques. Actually, let me tell you a story. So this is a global technology conference we're speaking at right now. There have been multiple vendors who've presented similar workshops over the course of this week. We've heard a lot of feedback, and I've seen some of them personally that had a lot of difficulty with their workshop environment. We were not even concerned about that with Instruqt. We walked into a room, there were 250 people, I'll estimate, in the room. There were another 150 or so I'm going to estimate remotely. It was a rock. We had people walking around and they were saying, you know, I was watching all the users, they were engaged, they were using Instruqt, they were going through our exercises, it was perfect. Absolutely no doubt it's the reliability. The reliability of Instruqt. I can come here to Spain and deliver a workshop in front of 400 people, both in person and remotely. I do not have to worry about whether my infrastructure will hold up or not.